If you're feeling hopeless and frustrated after trying so hard to attract love into your life, don't worry. In this video, I'm sharing how you can use law of assumption in simple steps so that you can attract love and manifest your soulmate into your life. But before that, let's take a deep breath in. I've seen people trying to manifest love and be in a relationship without even having a clarity of what they really want. And that's why they end up being with the wrong people. So when you don't have any clarity, you will just go out and pick a random number. But in reality, if you're really looking for a powerful and caring and a loving relationship, I want you to have some clarity. Write down all the things that you want in your partner. Write down all the characteristics or attributes that you're looking for in that partner. Maybe you want to connect with the emotion. You want to write down, I want a caring partner. You can write down that trait: caring, loving, supportive, who want to support you on your journey, on your career, success, or whatever you do in your life. So write down all these qualities that you're looking for in that other person before you even go out and date and text other people. I would recommend writing down in between 10 to 20 things instead of 100 things. And then you will be feeling like, oh my God, this person only meets 99 qualities, but this person is not meeting that one quality. So I'm so sorry, goodbye. This is not a deal breaker. This is just to have more clarity that what you are looking for in a relationship. Once you have the clarity, now assume that you already have this person. Create this imaginary person. And that's the exact thing that I did when I was trying to manifest love. And it took me 30 days to attract that person. It might sound scary, but it's not, because you are going to be with that person. So you have to bring that existence into this reality. So when you wake up, when you eat, when you go out, try to have this feeling that you are with this person. You are going together on walks, you are eating, you are cooking together. Have this feeling. Maybe when you're alone, talk to this person. Maybe have these conversations as you are already with this person and in that relationship. If you are enjoying this video, I would appreciate if you would hit that like button, because this would help this video to reach a wider audience. The next thing that I want you to do is to visualize a scenario. Listen to a meditation every single day and visualize that experience. Taste that reality. And when you are doing that every single day, your subconscious will start showing you the signs. Universe will start co-creating with you. Because when you are visualizing a scenario, you're experiencing it, you are feeling it, you are raising your vibration. And when you are raising your vibration, now you're going to attract the things that are vibrating on the similar frequency. As you are doing all these things, I want you to let go and focus on the happiness. Find love in your life that you already have. Your family, your friends, your pet, nature, the universe who is always with you. So tune into that frequency of love and look for that unconditionality of love. The more love you will feel, the more love you will attract into your life. This is my favorite one. Enjoy being single and enjoy the independent life before you look for an interdependent relationship. First, learn to live with yourself before you invite someone to live with you. See this as a positive sign, because now you can work on yourself, you can work on your inner child, you can look into your beliefs, you can look into your habits that you think that you might need to improve. So be ready before you are ready. Be happy and enjoy this moment, because when you will be in a relationship, in that loving, caring and meaningful relationship, I can guarantee you that you will be missing little bit of this life. So enjoy this life. See that as a journey instead of seeing that as suffering, that you are alone and then all of your friends are already getting married and having babies. So see that as your power instead as your weakness. If you want to learn more about law of assumption, check these videos. And if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you would hit that like button, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. This would help this video to reach a wider audience. So help me help you, and together we help the world. Sending you so much love and light.